Hi guys, if your Windows 11 computer is not shutting down and you want to fix this issue, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. For that, simply go to the Windows search and type Control Panel. Here it is. Simply open it. Now here, click on Hardware and Sound option and then go to Power options. Now here, you will see this option. Choose what the power buttons do. Simply click on it. And now here, simply click on this link, change settings that are currently unavailable. Simply click on it. Now under the power and sleep button settings, go to this option. When I press the power button, simply click here and make sure the shutdown option is selected. You can see. After that, in the shutdown settings section here, you will see this option, turn on fast startup. You have to simply disable this option. So to disable it, simply uncheck this option and then click on Save Changes. And then close it. And after saving the changes, now go to the Start button and click on Power option here and simply restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the Windows 11 not shutting down issue will be fixed. Let's see the next method. Sometimes the background applications prevents Windows 11 from shutting down. So to force close them, simply right click on the taskbar and then select the Task Manager option. And now on the Task Manager, click on Processes. And now here, you will be able to see the applications and the resources they are using. So here, you have to simply look for the apps that are using the most CPU and storage. Here you can see, in my case, the Filmora screen recorder is using the maximum CPU and storage, and my Chrome browser, it is also using the maximum CPU and storage. So to force close any application, simply right click on the application and here you will see the option End Task. Simply click on it and the application will be closed. You can see, in my case, I have force closed the Chrome browser and here you can see the Chrome browser has been closed from here. You can see. In a similar way, you can force close any application from here that are using the most CPU and storage and then restart your computer and the Windows 11 not shutting down problem will be fixed. Now let's see the next method. If your Windows 11 computer is not shutting down when you click on the shutdown button, then you can try using the keyboard shortcut keys. So to shut down your computer, simply press the Windows key plus X key together on your keyboard and then simply press U key twice on your keyboard and your computer will be shut down. Now let's see the next method. Sometimes the pending Windows updates can be the cause of this issue. So for that, right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Now on the Settings, click on Windows Update. Now here simply click on Check for Updates option and the Windows will start checking for the updates. And if there are any updates available, simply download and install it. You can see my updates are downloading. Once you download and install all the available Windows updates, simply close the window, then go to a Start menu, click on Power icon here, and then simply restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the shutdown button not working problem should be fixed. Now let's see the next method. Along with the Windows updates, outdated driver can also be the culprit of this issue. So to fix it, simply right click on the Start menu and then click on Device Manager. Now on the Device Manager, simply right click on any hardware marked with a yellow exclamation mark. Here you can see, in my case, I have two hardware, this and this, which is available with the yellow exclamation mark. You can see. So to update it, simply expand it and then right click on it and then select the Update Driver option. And here, select this option, Search automatically for drivers. It says the best driver for your device are already installed and then click on Close. Similarly, I will expand this driver, right click on it, select the Update Driver option, search automatically for drivers and then click on Close option. Now simply close the Device Manager. Now go to the Start menu, click on Power icon and simply restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the driver will be updated and the shutdown problem will be fixed if it is caused by the driver. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix Windows 11 not shutting down issue. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.